this recording. Could you send that to me? So I can put it on YouTube. I'm scared.
Well, what?
It's Richard Jackson.
It's well built.
Oh, look down. Look down on it. Oh, look down.
Not like to stand up like this.
Look there.
Yeah, don't look out, don't look out.
That's just looking at me.
Oh, wait.
You're fine, Damien.
Isn't this scary?
Nope.
Feel like maybe
Some people heights don't bother them. I think it's neat.
What do you think, Ashley? Do you think Grandma would like this? Grandma would love it.
Just put it in. You're doing fine.
This train is quite fascinating. Anyway, can I be in this boat?
Oh, yeah. Yep. That ticket lets you ride anywhere on the train.
Thank you.
But you gotta wait until it stops before you change cars.
Exactly.
That is correct. So if I wanted to stand up only in this car, am I allowed?
Yes.
Awesome.
Yep. You can stand up in this car. You can kind of walk around a little bit. But, yeah, we don't allow cars to leave the cars while the train goes.
Except for operating the train.
Exactly. Yeah, we're the only ones that are allowed to break that rule. It is kind of, we kind of have to.
Yeah.
Yep.
That
So I have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
You do, huh?
And it is called BT Rail. So I'm asking my grandmother right there to film it for me.
Okay. It's a beautiful day for it.
It is a beautiful day. Couldn't ask for one better, I don't think.
And if you did, you just be picky.
Yep.
It's a beautiful day. We finally got some leaves on the aspen, so the forest is starting to kind of fill out.
But most every day in Colorado is beautiful.
Well, yeah, it's really hard to have a bad day here.
So is that a custom whistle? Or
What?
is that a custom whistle that
Honestly, I don't know.
it kind of sounds like a Nathan Klein?
It is a black dog.
I know that much.
I don't know anything about it specifically.
Oh yeah, Oxford.
Yeah, there's another similar part about you too.
Number 12.
Yep. That's another one from Baldwin. If I remember right, I think it was built in 1926, but I might be mistaken about that.
So I call steam locomotives of this age old lady locomotive.
Any particular reason?
They're old.
Oh yeah.
And he loves them.
But why old ladies?
Most machines are referred to as girls.
That is true.
Sort of like cars.
And I'll never figure out why.
Can't be there.
Because no matter how much you gotta work with or not that,
Yeah, if you treat them well, they'll treat you well.
That is perfect.
Okay, well, you guys enjoy the ride. Whether you break in, I already be back and forth through here a few times. If you have any questions or anything,
Well, I'm sure he'll fill up with one
I'm
too.
sure he will. Well, we're not going over any other goal. We got another one coming up, and it's fairly long.
There we go. Crossing another street for you.
I'm gonna stand up.
Okay.
Oh god, this is making my stabilizers go crazy.
You need to sit down. You can sit down.
Oh yeah, remember Bigfoot?
Depot. Says this train did over 130 years ago. Now we're going to make a brief station stop here because our steam locomotive just burned 500 gallons of water just going up the hill. So we got to replenish those 500 gallons. So she's going to pull up to the water tower by herself, and my conductor will help her replenish, or my brakeman pardon me, will help her replenish that water.
This is where we go. Yeah.
Diesel.
We go past the buildings. Our biggest unit is here, which doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
So the train can go.
Because they go